Here are some British place names that are almost impossible to understand how to pronounce just by looking at them. How many can you guess? Lewisham, not too difficult. Alnwick, the L and the W are both silent. Wymondham, it looks like Wymondham, but it's not, it's Wymondham. Godmanchester, with the stress on the first syllable, but some of the locals just call it Gumster. Beaulieu, French origins, British pronunciation. Cholmondeley, nothing like it looks. Mousehole, not mouse hole. Haysborough. If you get this one, I'll give you a medal. Wolseley, 16 letters and we only pronounce 7 of them. These words will trip you up every single time if you don't learn them off by heart. Good luck.